Hello, everyone. Welcome to our special English learning podcast today. We will learn 50 important living room words together. Learning English can be fun and easy when we start with simple, everyday words. Today we focus on living room vocabulary. The living room is where families spend time together. It's the heart of every home. Let's start our exciting journey. Each word comes with clear meaning and helpful example. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin our adventure. Sofa means a long, soft seat for many people. Example, my family sits on the sofa to watch movies. Chair means a seat with back support for one person. Example, Dad reads his newspaper in his favorite chair. Table means a flat surface with legs for putting things. Example, Mom puts snacks on the coffee table for us. Television means an electronic box that shows programs and movies. Example, we watch the news on our big television. Lamp means a light that helps us see in dark rooms. Example, turn on the lamp so we can read books. Carpet means soft covering that goes on the floor for comfort. Example, the red carpet makes our living room look beautiful. Curtain means cloth that covers windows to block sunlight. Example, close the curtains because the sun is too bright. Window means glass opening in wall that lets light inside. Example, open the window to let fresh air come in. Door means entrance that opens and closes to enter rooms. Example, please close the door when you leave the room. Wall means flat surface that separates rooms and holds pictures. Example, we hang family photos on the living room wall. Ceiling means the top surface inside a room above heads. Example, the ceiling fan helps keep the room cool today. Floor means the bottom surface where people walk and stand. Example, keep your shoes off the clean wooden floor, please. Remote means small device to control television from far away. Example, pass me the remote to change the TV channel. Pillow means soft cushion to rest your head when sleeping. Example, the colorful pillows make the sofa more comfortable now. Blanket means warm cover to keep body warm when cold. Example, grab a blanket from the closet for movie night. Book means pages with words and stories bound together nicely. Example, I left my favorite book on the side table. Magazine means thin book with pictures and current news stories. Example, Mom reads cooking magazines while drinking her morning coffee. Picture means image or photo displayed on walls for decoration. Example, that picture of our vacation looks great on wall. Mirror means glass surface that shows reflection of your face. Example, check your hair in the mirror before going out. Clock means device that shows current time throughout the day. Example, the wall clock says it's time for dinner. Vase means container for holding fresh flowers and water inside. Example, put the roses in the glass vase on table. Plant means green living thing that grows with water. Example, water the plant every week to keep it healthy. Candle means wax stick with flame that gives soft light. Example, light the candles to make dinner time more romantic. Fireplace means stone area where wood burns for warmth. Example: we gather around the fireplace during cold winter nights. Bookshelf means tall furniture for storing books and other items. Example: organize your books neatly on the wooden bookshelf there. Television stand means furniture that holds TV and electronic devices. Example: put the DVD player under the TV on stand. Coffee table means low table in front of sofa for drinks. Example: set your coffee cup on the coffee table carefully. Side table means small table next to chairs or sofas. Example: keep the lamp on the side table for reading. Ottoman means soft footrest or extra seat without back support. Example: put your feet up on the comfortable ottoman today. Rug means small carpet that covers part of the floor. Example: the colorful rug makes the room look more cheerful. Couch means another word for sofa where people sit. Example: let's all sit together on the big couch. Recliner means special chair that leans back for comfortable rest. Example: Grandpa loves napping in his leather recliner chair daily. Cushion means soft pad that makes chairs more comfortable. Example: fluff the cushions to make the sofa look nice. Throw means small blanket for decoration and light warmth. Example: drape the throw over the chair for cozy feeling. Armrest means part of chair where you rest your arms. Example: the armrests on this chair are very comfortable today. Footstool means small seat for resting tired feet comfortably. Example: use the footstool to rest your feet while watching. Decor means things used to make rooms look more beautiful. Example: the new decor makes our living room very stylish. Ornament means decorative object that makes rooms look pretty inside. Example: the glass ornaments sparkle in the bright morning sunlight. Artwork means paintings or drawings displayed on walls for beauty. Example: the artwork in our living room was expensive, but... Frame means border around pictures to make them look nice. Example: put the family photo in a beautiful gold frame. Shelf means flat board on wall for holding books. Example: display your trophies on the shelf for everyone. Cabinet means furniture with doors for storing things safely inside. Example: keep the good dishes in the wooden cabinet there. Drawer means sliding box inside furniture for storing small things. Example: put the TV remote in the drawer when finished. Handle means part you hold to open doors and drawers. Example: turn the handle slowly to open the cabinet door. Switch means button that turns lights on and off easily. Example: flip the switch to turn on the room lights. Outlet means hole in wall where you plug electronic devices. Example: plug the lamp into the wall outlet over there. Cord means wire that connects electronic devices to power source. Example: don't trip over the lamp cord on the floor. Fan means device with spinning blades that moves air around. Example: turn on the ceiling fan to cool the room. Heater means device that makes rooms warm during cold weather. Example: turn on the heater because it's very cold today. Speaker means device that plays music and sounds very loudly. Example, the speakers make our music sound really great tonight. Controller means device used to operate games and electronic things. Example, hand me the game controller so I can play. Coaster means small mat that protects tables from drink marks. Example, use a coaster under your glass to protect table. Congratulations! You learned 50 important living room words today. Practice using these words in your daily conversations. Remember to use these words when talking about your home. The more you practice, the better you become. Thank you for listening to our podcast today. Keep practicing and see you next time for more English learning.